When you wed to a profession like dance, it's like actually a marriage. So what happens is every 10 years or every 5 years more likely that our priorities change and our attitude towards a marriage changes, but then the commitment becomes stronger and stronger. I have seen this in Veena. I have always related to her because I also had a very long break, but I admire her and I congratulate her for having that commitment and having braved that comeback and then being consistent. She is also evolved as a person and therefore evolved as an artist.
I remember meeting Veena first during the SARC summit. It was very clear that her focus was on dance all the time. I'm not surprised at the achievements that Veena has done so far. I keep reading about her in papers. Hitting headlines once, of course, can be an accident. The second time can be a coincidence, but then again and again, making news is because of sheer talent, sheer grit, sheer determination. That's why I think Veena has traveled so far. I read about a new troupe, Samanvaya, about 5 years back. I hear that her dance troupe has completed 25 years. I think that's extremely laudable. Congrats, Veena. Wish you many, many more laurels.
Veena Murthy Vijay is a danseuse with a commitment towards the propagation of Indian dance traditions all over the world. Veena's rare grace and dramatic talent have taken her to great heights in her chosen art form, Kuchipudi.
Every art, whether it is paintings, sculpture, or music, dance, everything has got the same element, but it is projected differently and approached differently. One thing I could definitely say about Veena from my association with her from younger days, she was a hard worker all the time. And she had a certain grace in her performance. 100% sure that she will definitely make a difference to the art scene.
It is indeed a very, very important and a very special occasion for her. And it comes across as a huge encouragement for all other dancers who are in the field, who often believe that if you take up dancing as a career, it can finish by the time you're 30. But it is friends like Veena who prove otherwise, that any art is everlasting. It not only grooms your personality, gives you immense joy, and it is probably a career that brings all of us artists an ability to overcome the turbulences, the ups and downs of normal life.
Veena's intense desire to learn led her to many illustrious gurus and revealed to her the varied aspects of other dance forms like Bharatanatyam and Kathak. This led her to experiment in choreography under the tutelage of the celebrated Maya Rao, resulting in numerous productions based on varied social themes. Proving her comprehensive command over the form and the ethos of Kuchipudi. In an illustrious career spanning over 2 decades, Veena has performed to packed houses both in India and abroad. She has also held workshops and lecture demonstrations in various universities abroad.